Hi everyone and welcome back to Diamond Paintings with me, your host Mike. Today we have another unboxing, and this unboxing came from a fellow channel of mine that I watch, and she had this fantastic painting and I really liked it, so do check her channel out. It's called Crafting with Kay, and I think I pronounced that right. I think I've got that wrong, but I think it's Crafting with Kay. I believe. If I've got that wrong, Kay, just put the link in the description or something in the comments. Now, when I got this, I was quite annoyed because number one, they've sent it through see-through because I've had to hide my address there for GDPR reasons. But can you see they've put the actual label onto the packaging, so I can't do a proper unboxing on it, which means you're gonna see what's in it, which is very annoying. So yeah. It came with this, and I saw it on Kay's channel, and I was like, oh my god, that is gorgeous. And I've always wanted to do a gnome. It is a gnome painting, and I've always wanted to do a gnome. And when I saw it, I was like, that is the one. That is the one that is really nice. I can't say no. It was £5, so really, really happy with that. I'm just going to take it off camera because I need to undo it because my dress is under there, so I need to do it. Just take this out off camera, and I'll be right back. So let me just sort this out. So yeah, I was really a bit annoyed that they'd done that. Because, the idea of an unboxing is you don't see what it is until you get it. But anyway, so this is the painting. I love the way they've packed it. We'll take a look at the painting a little bit later on. Oh, I see a boingy. Oh yeah, man. So I think the new thing is now that they're now starting to do this. They basically tape everything to these. There's a new thing happening here where they're taping it like that. But what also they're doing, it seems like they're making a big upgrade to the boats, because these boats are normally in a sort of a rectangle shape. They've widened them, but they've cut the end off there. I wish they would put a spout on them. You've got a step further, but you need to put a spout on it. But in here, we've got a boingy. Some of these are very interesting because some don't come with these squashy things. They basically go on your pen as a grip. And then on the back here, some baggies. And we've also got another pair of tweezers. Oh, yeah, man. Excellent. You can never have enough choices. But yeah, standard typical boat there. Let's take a look at the colours we've got. But yeah, apart from that, it looks a pretty good painting. I just wish they would have put it in Amazon boxing, because also when it's see-through, the drivers are all having a good old gore at it as well, but these are the colours. So we'll start backwards from 21. We've got some light blues, pinks. These are lovely ones. I like that one. Yellow, purple, blue and white. Red and yellow and pink and green. You know that song of the rainbow that goes, I can see a rainbow. Anyway, so yeah, these are lovely. Oh, that's vibrant. I like that. That's gorgeous. So a lot of blues in this. Let's have a look at the other pack here. But it's nice that they're, it's come flat, because you don't get that many creases in it. So I have to say a huge shout out to Kay for this, because without seeing that painting on her channel, I was like, I didn't even know this existed. And I've always wanted a gnome painting. And yeah, just haven't really found the right one up till now. So yeah, so blacks, greys, purples, a bit black, grey there, browns. Oh, that's vibrant. Look at that purple. Oh wow, that's gorgeous. Oh, that's lovely. Got some reds, greens, sort of Christmassy colours there. And yeah, so them ones. So that's really good. And let's take a look at the actual painting itself. So are you ready? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Look how gorgeous that is. And you know what it's like when you're a diamond painter, you do watch other people's channels, and I think the fun part of watching other diamond painters is seeing unboxings, For me, I watch an awful lot of diamond painters, and then when I see an unboxing that I really like, I will often comment on their channel and say, can I have the link for that, because I really like it. And yeah, I saw this and I was like, I've got to get that. That is absolutely gorgeous. There's so much splash of colour there. Apparently this is a gnome or a gonk. There's two different types here. So you have a gonk, and I believe the gonk is the ones where you don't see the eyes, and a gnome is the one where you see the eyes, if that makes sense. Why they call them a gonk, I don't know. But yeah, the jewels seem very clear. The writing looks a bit smudgy on here. I can't make out what that says yet. That could have been a little bit better. But as you can see, it's two gnomes here, so it looks like you've got that lovely blue sky, and then they're on the beach here. So really, really good. Lovely beach ball. That's going to be beautiful. That once you get the colour on that ball, that is going to pump it really, really, like that will splash the colour right out. But yeah, my first gnome painting. I've never done a gnome before. As I said, I'm trying to steer away from animal painting to do an awful lot of paintings on animal related. I don't really do an awful lot of figure ones, so this is quite nice. And obviously, looking at the design of this, I'm probably going to do it in the summer because it's coming across like it's a summer painting for me with the beach ball and that. So this will be something for the summer, I think. But an absolute lovely, lovely painting, 12x16, which is obviously a 30x40. If you want to get this for yourself, the link's in the description below the video. Again, a huge thanks to Crafting with Kay, I believe your channel is called, for giving me the link in order to buy this, because it is absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, so until then, that's the next unboxing. I will see you very soon. Fancel's got dispatched yesterday, so we should be expecting that in a week or so's time. As soon as it gets in from China, I will get that unboxed for you. But I'm looking forward to that one because it's got Paddington Bear in it. But anyway, please remember to like, share and subscribe. If you want to get this, the link's in the description below the video. Tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. And I'll see you next time. Bye!